What I wish I knew at 20 instead of 25. You can actually get paid just for scrolling TikTok. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. If you're already spending hours on TikTok, why not get paid for it? People are making real money from their phones. No clout, no followers, no problem. In this video, I'm breaking down 6 ways you can make money on TikTok in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. This is your practical guide to turning all that screen time into real cash. The opportunity on TikTok is bigger than ever, but most people are just watching, not making money. You're about to get ahead of 99% of users by learning these strategies. We'll go from the obvious methods to some underground tactics almost nobody's talking about. And stick around till the end for a bonus strategy that could be your secret weapon. The Creator Fund, now called the Creator Rewards Program, pays you for views. You need to be 18 plus, have 10,000 followers, and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Your account must follow TikTok's rules. Longer videos, over 1 minute, earn much more. Think storytelling, tutorials, or deep dives. Creators now earn over $1 per 1,000 qualified views. One viral video can mean $1,000 plus. TikTok wants longer, higher quality content. Less about trends, more about real value. Pick a niche, post consistently, and focus on videos longer than a minute. If you can hold attention for 60 plus seconds, TikTok will pay you. Start building your foundation now. This opportunity is bigger than ever. The Creator Rewards Program is your launchpad. No followers? No problem. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way for beginners to make money on TikTok. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. You don't need a big audience. One viral video can bring thousands of clicks. Start with Amazon Associates. Sign up, grab a product link, and make a simple video showing it in action. Use trending products, kitchen gadgets, tech, or beauty finds. Just show the product, add trending audio, and use hashtags like #AmazonFinds. Put your affiliate link in your bio. Even with a small account, a viral video can mean real sales. You don't need to be an influencer. Just showcase a product that solves a problem or entertains. Stay consistent. One hit can change your income overnight. Affiliate marketing is the fastest way to earn with 0 followers. Your first sale could be just 1 video away. Ready to level up? Sell your own products with TikTok Shop, a built-in e-commerce platform. People can buy directly from your videos, making the process seamless and boosting sales. 2 main approaches. Sell your own creations, like jewelry, art, or merch. Or try dropshipping, no inventory needed. Example, a brand sold sunset lamps via dropshipping, made simple aesthetic videos, and went viral. Thousands of orders in weeks. The secret: create content that feels like a regular TikTok, not an ad. Show the product in use, tell a story, and focus on the vibe or problem it solves. Use TikTok Shop's affiliate program. Let other creators promote your products for a commission, scaling your reach fast. Brainstorm visually appealing products with a wow factor. If dropshipping, test the product yourself first. Get creative with your videos. Show benefits, feelings, or transformations. Build a brand, not just a store. Use trending sounds and effects to boost engagement. Collaborate with micro-influencers to expand reach. Offer limited-time deals to create urgency. Respond to customer comments to build trust. Track your best-performing videos and double down. TikTok Shop is a no-brainer for e-commerce in 2025. Start small, learn fast, and scale what works. The platform is designed for sellers. Take advantage. Your product could be the next viral hit. Don't wait. Set up your TikTok Shop now. Turn your creativity into real income. Sponsorships and brand deals. This is where your audience size really pays off. Brands pay you to feature their products in your videos, either as a dedicated review or a subtle integration. To attract brands, pick a clear niche and post consistently. Brands want to know who your audience is. Quality matters. Good lighting, clear audio, and a professional profile make you stand out. Micro-influencers, 10K, 50K followers, can earn $100, $500 per video. Bigger creators can charge thousands. Don't wait for brands to find you. Reach out. Send a DM or email with a simple media kit and a collaboration idea. Example, a board game reviewer with 25K followers is more valuable to a board game brand than a general lifestyle influencer. Niche audiences convert better, so be a big fish in a small pond. Your path: define your niche, post high-quality content, optimize your profile, and proactively pitch brands. Start small. Free products can build your portfolio. Build relationships with brands for repeat deals. Track your engagement rate. It's as important as follower count. Share your audience demographics in your media kit. Be authentic. Only promote products you genuinely like. Negotiate rates as your audience grows. Stay professional in all communications. Brand deals can become a major income stream. Start building your brand partnerships now. Going live lets your fans support you directly with virtual gifts. Each has real cash value. You need 1,000 followers and to be 18 plus to go live. Use live to connect deeper, perform, create art, answer questions, or just hang out. Be interactive, thank viewers for gifts, and make them feel part of the show. Some creators make hundreds or thousands per stream, especially with creative formats like live tarot readings or quandas. Structure your live offer value, entertainment, or a unique experience. Schedule your streams and promote them in advance to boost attendance. Consistency is key. Regular streams build loyal audiences. Use clear calls to action for viewers to send gifts. Respond to chat to keep engagement high. Try different formats to see what your audience loves. Collaborate with other creators for joint streams. Track your earnings and optimize your approach. Live is a powerful way to monetize even a small following. Build a strong community and your income will grow. Start planning your first live today. If you have a skill or expertise, TikTok is the ultimate lead generator for your business. Use short, valuable videos to prove your knowledge and build trust. Offer services, coaching, design, editing, consulting, or sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates. Example, a fitness coach shares tips, then sells personalized plans or an online course. Your TikTok is the top of your sales funnel. Use a link tree or stand store in your bio to direct followers to your offers. Give away value for free, then upsell a deeper solution. Package your knowledge into products you can sell over and over. Any skill works: gardening, travel, budgeting, anything. Make your call to action clear. Link in bio for my full guide. Build an audience that trusts you, then guide them to your paid offers. Track what content drives the most clicks. Update your offers based on audience feedback. This is how you turn expertise into scalable income. Start sharing your skills and watch your business grow. Bonus strategy: build automated, faceless TikTok channels. Perfect if you're camera shy or want to scale. Create channels around a theme, like satisfying videos, movie clips, or motivational quotes without showing your face. Systemize content creation. Batch produce videos, use templates, and schedule posts. Monetize with the Creator Rewards program, affiliate links, digital products, or brand deals. Example, Reddit story channels use text-to-speech and background footage, getting millions of views anonymously. You can run multiple channels in different niches at once. Hire virtual assistants to help with research, editing, and posting. Your job becomes managing the system, not making every video. Study what works in each niche and replicate it at scale. Focus on high-potential topics and efficient workflows. Use analytics to optimize your content strategy. Test new formats and niches regularly. Build a content machine that runs with or without you. This is how you create a media empire on TikTok. Start with one channel, then expand as you learn. The sky's the limit with automation. You now have more than 6 ways to make money on TikTok, no matter your starting point. The only thing stopping you is taking action. Pick one method and start today. If you have 0 followers, try affiliate marketing. If you're an expert, sell a service. If you love being on camera, go for the creator fund or live gifts. Don't get overwhelmed, just start with one. There's room for everyone to succeed on TikTok in 2025. Which method will you try first? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and follow for more ways to grow your online income. Thanks for watching.